An absolutely historic winter storm is about to unfold across much of the southern and eastern half of the United States as we go into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And looking at our latest snowfall accumulations in the 6Z run of the GFS model, our northward trends have continued as we now are looking at the likelihood of a foot to 2 feet of snowfall anywhere from Oklahoma through Arkansas, southern Missouri, through Kentucky, West Virginia, through Pennsylvania, New York, and New Jersey, and northern Virginia now in this corridor where the heaviest snow is expected to set up. And then we're looking at lighter totals of about 6 to 12 inches of snowfall across much of Kansas, Missouri, into areas of Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. So we're looking at pretty much a blockbuster snowstorm across areas across the plains through the Midwest into the Northeast now. And looking at our European model solution, European model is showing pretty much the same as the GFS. The north trend is kind of slowed down in our latest Euro, so we're still seeing about a foot of snow likely across Oklahoma, southeast Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, and then between a foot to potentially as much as 2 feet of snowfall across southern Missouri or Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, through much of Kentucky, West Virginia, Virginia, up through the Northeast is looking like they're going to get really hit hard with this winter storm now. Widespread snowfall accumulations of 12 to 24 inches, and especially across New York State, we could be seeing snowfall accumulations as high as 3 feet of snowfall in some areas of upstate New York in the latest European run. Looking further south, a crippling ice storm is still expected across areas of North Texas through central northern Louisiana, Mississippi, northwest Alabama, much of Tennessee, northern Georgia, and the Carolinas, where we are expecting widespread ice accretion totals of half an inch to an inch in all of these areas, and I wouldn't rule out a bullseye of over an inch of ice accretion in areas of northern Georgia, northwestern South Carolina, and western North Carolina, as this is where the heaviest freezing rains appears to be setting up as of this time. This is going to cause widespread power outages for days, maybe even weeks across the area, so make sure you're preparing now for major power outages if you live anywhere from North Texas through Louisiana, Mississippi, northern Alabama, southern Tennessee, northern Georgia, and northwestern South Carolina. And looking at our National Weather Service watches, warnings, and advisories map, it has been since 2021 since I've seen a map like this. We have winter storm watches all the way from New Mexico and Texas through the Mississippi Valley, through the Tennessee Valley, up through the Mid-Atlantic, into the Northeast now. In the blue shade areas, we have winter storm warnings for most of Oklahoma, a section of North Texas and northwestern Arkansas in the pink shade areas. And then we have extreme cold warnings across areas of the northern plains into the Great Lakes in the dark blues, and cold weather advisories in the lighter shade of cyan all the way down through the central plains, through Michigan, through Indiana now.